This dilapidated carriage house built in the early 1900s, we decided to turn into an art studio. The to-do list was taking out the broken garage door and the rails, then put in a wall with insulation behind it. We removed the broken and disheveled ceiling panels from the first floor, and now the screens, the black, green screen and white backdrops. Upstairs, we took out the funky little apartment that was up there, probably for the carriage driver. And we put insulation between the rafters. It's still a work in progress, but it's done enough to skate dance in, so let's take it for a spin. The upstairs was so creepy that Bodhi used it for his No Hero horror film that he'll be putting out on Bodhi, the Movie Maker, his YouTube channel. The link will be in the description. We found some artifacts from the early 1900s, some letters and magazines in the floorboards that we'll be sharing with you later.
1920s catalog of photographic art studies.
Opened a window that hadn't been opened in probably 100 years, let in the fresh air, painted the floor and the stairs up there white for more reflectant light. We put in LED shop lighting downstairs and upstairs to efficiently be able to light the space inexpensively. And now we can use it for creative projects, video, art, and creative exercise like skate dancing. This work in progress is turning out great, but there's still one challenge. One of the reasons we decided to turn our carriage house garage into a studio we could shoot videos and make art in, so we could have our living room back for living in. But a couple days later, organizing 254 stencils I've cut for a future project, here's what happens when you're artists. Your life is full of creativity. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.